Welcome everybody to another episode of 555 Barbershop, your home for comprehensive tutorials on barbering. What I have for you here is a basic skin fade. Let's start. First, create a guideline with the trimmer. Next, use a trimmer to get rid of the hair underneath the guideline. Next, use a foil shaver to bald the sides. Attach a number 1 guard, fully extend the blade, and go over the entire top of the scalp. Next, erase the bald line. Fully extend the blade on your clipper, pass through the section, close the blade slightly, pass through the section again, and keep repeating the same step until the line is erased. Next, attach a 1 guard, close the blade because that's the next step down from the top, and proceed like this. Attach a half guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section like this, close the blade, and repeat the same step. Do this until the demarcation is blended. Next step, use a trimmer to create the lineup. And finally, finish it off with a straight razor. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. If your fade looks like this or better, you've done well. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and always remember, always be learning, always be practicing, and always be humble. All of my equipment is by Caliber. To purchase Caliber tools, click the link in the description of this video and use discount code 555.